If you will change, everything will change for you. If you will get better, everything will get better for you. If you'll change your philosophy, if you'll change your habits, if you'll refine your thinking, if you'll change and accept some new disciplines, all kinds of remarkable things will happen for you if you will change.
Jim Rohn just explained the real secret to wealth, and most people miss it. He didn't say, get lucky or work harder. He said, change yourself, and everything else will change for you. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Your current income is not your problem. You are not poor because of the economy. You are earning exactly what your current habits, thinking, and philosophy can support. Jim Rohn said if you change your philosophy, you'll change your habits. And if you change your habits, your bank account has no choice but to change. Wealth always starts inside before it ever shows up outside. Most people want more money, but they refuse to become the person who deserves more money. Same thinking, same spending, same discipline, same results. Turn the corner from the past. That means new rules, new standards, new self-discipline. Wealth doesn't respond to wishes. It responds to growth. When you get better, you make better decisions. You manage money better. You see opportunities others miss. And suddenly, money starts following you. That's why some people win the lottery and lose everything, and others start with nothing and build millions. Money can only stay where the person has grown enough to keep it. Jim Rohn wasn't teaching motivation. He was teaching law. If you change your thinking, if you accept new disciplines, if you decide to grow, your income will chase you. So the real question isn't, how do I make more money? The real question is, who must I become to deserve more money? Answer that, and wealth becomes inevitable.